Do you know the biggest gap in dentistry today? It's not knowledge, it's clinical confidence. Whatever we learn in that 5 years of BDS, the moment we come to practice, we realize that there is a huge gap. And we identified that gap and pioneered this live clinical training program way back in 2015 as Asian Dental Academy.
We believe dentists learn best by doing. Every program at Kosmo is designed in such a way to give a real hands-on experience under expert supervision.
From Endodontics
and crown and bridge
To implantology.
laser dentistry and digital workflows.
our training focus on practical skills so that the dentist can implement immediately in the daily practice.
Our courses are designed for fresh graduates, dentists wanting to improve their clinical skills, and doctors who are looking to regain clinical confidence after a long career gap.
working inside an NABS certified clinical setup with expert mentorships and real patient exposure, it itself gives immense confidence.
We have trained over 11,000 plus dentists across India and around the world. And today, many of them are leading successful practitioners. That transformation is what makes us proud.